Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Ulta Beauty. If you don't have an Ulta Beauty account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page, then click on Sign In. On the pop-up window, you will see a Create an Account button. Click on Create an Account. Now, complete your profile. Enter all the required information such as your first name, last name, then a valid email and password you wish to use. Adding an address, phone number and birthday is optional. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Ulta account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.